So this is a bit of a turn up for the bucks. I think Herman might be on a bit of a pause because I've had a phone call today from Shay at work, and we are now, let me turn him round, waiting for a call because he's had a fall at work. And now we're waiting for 111 to call us back because he can't literally move.
I'm freezing.
However, the installation for Herman has turned out quite handy because it's keeping him nice and warm.
Oh God, you think it's funny to film me on an agony?
Should keep you informed.
Hello.
Hello.
So that happened.
I can laugh now.
You was laughing at the time.
That was before it got serious, to be fair. Once it got a bit real, I stopped.
So that was Tuesday. As you see, I had an accident at work. Long story short, fell off the back of my wagon.
Too busy rushing.
On top of my scarifier. And ended up with a suspected broken back. I know. So, long story short, oh, you can tell them.
What?
That was my granddaughter burping in the background. Dirty monkey.
Yeah, so as I said, I had a phone call at work. And then I said, do I need to come out? Do I have to leave? And he was like, no, give me 10 minutes. I might be all right. No, it wasn't. So I then had to phone my daughter so she could pick me up so that I could get the van back. So, yeah, so turned up. He's lying like a wreck on the ramps. Phone 111. We managed to get you to crawl in the back of the van on some insulation, didn't we?
Yeah, because I wanted to send an ambulance.
But I did not want to wait 4 hours.
For 4 hours for an ambulance.
For an ambulance. So I thought it's easier just to chuck him in the back of the van like a mower and then take you to the ambulance and take you to the A&E.
And as you can see in the first part of the video, she was less than sympathetic at this point.
Oh, you have to laugh at these things, don't you? Once, before you know it's serious. Obviously, at the time, I wasn't expecting you to have fractured your spine. So.
I was in agony.
Yeah, it's still
So anyway, got to the hospital. We're at the hospital now. They've stuck me in a bed. They've put me in a really fetching gown, stopped me from eating and drinking, and the doctors come out.
It's a bit of an.
Can you tell we've got the granddaughter staying here this weekend? So yeah, they put me in a rather fetching gown. The doctors come out and said, yes, we're almost certain that you've fractured your spine.
No, they hadn't said that at the time. You was just going to an x-ray. Don't make me look really mean for laughing and filming everything. Because they hadn't mentioned that then.
Okay.
That was after the x-ray.
So yeah. First thing, x-ray. So this footage now.
This is the last bit of footage because it did get a bit real.
We got a bit serious after that.
So I did stop because even though I'm not that sick.
Yeah.
Not quite anyway.
No. Well, you are a bit. So check out this bit of footage now.
Okay, so I can't help but resist to film him because he looks so stupid.
So yeah,
and I do apologise for my camera angles because I'm not great.
So yeah, at this point, obviously they're sending me down for an X-ray. Yeah, it's
just assessing the damage. This is where it got a bit crazy.
Got a bit serious here because at this point they did suspect a broken back.
Yeah, but they didn't tell us that at the time, did they?
No. So yeah, this is me off to an X-ray.
It's not amused because I'm
not amused because she's filming me. I'm in pain and she thinks it's funny. So basically, I've called Lindsay the angel of death from this point. So yeah, X-ray. Went off to an X-ray. Waited down the X-ray area for ages. You know what it's like. Gets back. X-ray results came back, and then the doctor came in to see me, and he did a few more presses, a few more bits and bobs, didn't he?
No, they came back in and they said that they think you fractured your spine, the lower 3 vertebrae. So they wanted to just double check. They weren't absolutely certain at this point.
Couldn't quite tell on the X-ray, could they?
The X-ray, no. So they got him to try and get him up to move, to see if he could move. You did get up, but the pain was just like shooting through your back, wasn't it, down your left-hand leg?
Felt like
so
somebody...
she then just said, no, get back in your bed, lie back down, we're not going to do anything because you've fractured your spine. So she says, we need to get you down to...
And it was that point where we thought, oh my God. No, literally, my life right there in front of me fell apart in front of my eyes. I'm like, oh my God. Work, I'm self-employed for now. Van life, because obviously we want to do van life as soon as Herman's done.
Ended up in a wheelchair
how we're gonna do Herman? How we're gonna build Herman? You know, that was the rest of our lives. Just like, oh, hang on a minute. So no more footage from this point.
No, because even I wasn't that sick. It was scary.
Yeah, it was scary.
It really was scary. We hadn't got a clue, did we? We did the worst thing possible and Googled it.
Yeah.
And 3 months out. And,
So so they decided to send me for a CT scan. So and then I had to wait a couple of hours for that, which was like 2 hours. I was just sitting there, what we're gonna do, how the hell's this gonna work?
Yeah, it was a bit
blah. And to be fair, I was more worried about actually getting Herman done. I was quite happy to live in. I was quite happy to live in the back of Herman still in a wheelchair. No, I've got some ramps. That's what I fell off. Is that a bloody thing making noise again? So eventually, he goes down for a CT scan. Came back from said CT scan. Waited and waited, expecting the worst, thinking, oh, I'm going to have an operation, blah, 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 blah. It
could be anything from just letting 3 months rest up to full operation.
Depending how bad it is.
Depending on the fracture.
But you think the worst, don't you? I did. I thought the worst. But doctor came and he went, oh, Mr. Jackson, good news, you've not broken your back.
You can go home. So that was
I'm like, what?
By this time it was like 8 o'clock at night, wasn't it? So we were like, we're just going home.
Well, that changed.
Yeah.
So basically, it turns out that I have got severe. What have I got? I've got severe bruising on my lower 3.
Torn
muscle, and then the bottom 2 vertebrae are badly damaged, but not broken.
Very close to be fractured, but luckily
they said I was
literally scraped through it.
I scraped through it. I was extremely lucky.
Yeah, it did take you a while to get out to the car. To be fair, you could just get up and walk.
So they gave me painkillers.
You had morphine, to be fair.
We've got to mention that earlier on. I've been on morphine for most of the afternoon, which was the biggest high I've had since I was a kid. So I've been on morphine, and then they gave me a load of different painkiller, in the afternoon, didn't they?
It was still in your system.
It was still in my system. But anyway, got home. So it's Bank Holiday Monday now. So I've been convalescing.
But he did have a rollicking because he did want to go back to work the next day, and I told him no way, and everyone did. There's quite a few friends as well told you to wind your neck in and sort yourself out because it was too early. So I
got lectured off Lindsay. I got lectured off my mum. I got lectured off my best friends, and basically you just got told off. So I didn't go back to work.
However, I was able to carry on taking the mick off you afterwards.
You would, wouldn't you?
Yeah, because he wasn't serious anymore, so it was okay. I could go back to being me, but now we can go back to work because
So it's I have 3 days of rest.
Yeah.
Not doing a lot. Painkillers. And to be fair, by Saturday, which was my son's 21st birthday.
It was his party.
It was his party, and I was helping out. Obviously, we had a big pie for him at the local club.
It didn't stop me making him stand on chest decorations because I couldn't reach.
Well, it's all right. If I'd have fell and died, I'd have had a good excuse. I've had a good excuse to come back and haunt you, wouldn't I? So, a few days rest. And to be fair, although it still aches, it's really achy. I don't feel too bad. So the plan is now.
You still do have it though, don't you? You still do have pains.
Oh, it's still hurting like a pig. Still have to have the old painkillers. Painkillers and Jack Daniels, best thing out for pain.
You're supposed to take them together.
Don't care. So anyway, the plan is Bank Holiday Monday now. I've got a lot of work to catch up on this week. But then it's Bank Holiday again next weekend, so we get 3 whole days to build Hermond. So
3 bank holidays in a month.
So we're hoping to do the tanks, under tanks, water tanks.
I don't know what we're going to do, to be fair. We'll figure that out.
We've got to plan it out. But we'll be definitely pulling the cables through. We'll be definitely be insulating it. We'll definitely be putting...
I want to pull the top of the cab bit out so I can carpet it.
Yeah, we'll definitely be boarding it out. So, yeah, and we'll see how much we'll get done. But you'll see all that in next Sunday's vlog. I may wait... No, I will do it Sunday.
You'll do it on Sunday?
Yeah, okay. So, yeah. That's it. That's a week in the life.
That's a wonderful week.
So,
surely it can only get better.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't fall again. So you got time to make the time up.
Well, the irony is I was rushing around last week because I was so busy. This week I've doubled up the work now, so I'm going to have to rush around even quicker.
You can't rush around because that's where disasters happen.
Yeah, apparently so. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this latest edition of our Marauding Metalheads vlog.
Makes a change to fan builds.
Yeah. Be ice when we're travelling, wouldn't it? That'd be the thing. You
don't wish to fall over yet.
Yeah. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching.
Yay.
Yeah. Keep watching. Keep rocking. Keep it real.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.